coming. 1, 2, 3. Hey. 1, 2, 3.
Set. Hut.
The Impact System Paint, an iGo machine, delivers a line marking experience that combines advanced paint formulation with superior application technology to produce stunning results. Innovative features and benefits combine to mark lines of unequal quality and durability, which is why it is the choice of top sporting venues, training grounds, schools and local authorities. Its advanced formulations, award-winning features and unique user benefits set new standards in line marking. The ready-to-use paint needs no added water and therefore no mixing, no measuring, no pouring and no mess. Just plug in and it's ready to go. It is supplied in either 5-litre disposable eco bags or 10-litre rigid plastic containers. When fitted with the gold nozzle and carrying 3 eco bags, the iGo can overmark the lines of more than 13 standard-sized football pitches without being refilled. This state-of-the-art application technology provides a superior delivery system specifically matched to the characteristics of the Impact paint flow. Integrating the paint formulation and spray pressure with nozzle design and performance is a major advance in line marking applications. The height of the handlebars can be easily adjusted. The paint's output is instantly controlled by the on-off push-button switch. The lever linked to the disc spacers allow them to be lifted when moving between lines and pitches, while pre-drilled disc spacer holes enable quick and accurate line width changes. A front bumper protects the nozzle, the height of which can be easily raised or lowered. The easy-to-remove cover protects the electrics and the heavy-duty pressure pump, which produces a consistent output for uniform paint delivery. The battery features quick release clips, allowing it to be easily removed or left in the machine for charging. A water container is provided for priming the pump, the only time water is needed during its operation. This easy-to-access valve allows for quick pump priming and at the end of the operation for easy paint removal and pipe cleaning. A set of nozzles in a range of sizes is supplied, allowing different levels of paint output from as little as 1.1 litres up to a maximum of 3 litres per pitch. The container provided can also be used to clean and store nozzles after use. iGos are supplied with an optional interchangeable 23-litre paint pod for use with traditional dilutable concentrate paint formulations. The iGo Impact system is environmentally friendly and extremely versatile, as it can apply lines to natural grass surfaces, artificial and synthetic pitches, as well as clay and hard surfaces. This is just one of the many reasons why clubs, schools, local authorities and major sporting arenas choose the Impact line marking system. For more information, please visit us online at www.linemark.co.uk.